Hey guys, I'm Afro from bloggingmaker.com. Welcome to my six figure secret review. In a nutshell, this is a training from Philip Johnson and Dan Khan. In case if you don't know, they are the rising six figure affiliate marketer. In this training course, they will teach you how you can leverage others' content and generate $274 per day commission as an affiliate marketer from free traffic sources. And they will provide you the resources that you can create your own products also. So in this video we are going to see the sales page and see the upsells of this training and my bonuses which I pick only for this software, this training, which will help you to get more dollar per day. Okay, so let's see the bonuses first. So this is the bonus page. As you can see, this is a bonus page. Okay, so you will find the link in the description. My first link will be the bonus page link, so you have to go there. So here you can see this is Dan Khan and this is Philip Johnson. These are the trainers. Okay, so this training course is launched on 28th of April, Wednesday, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. What is six figure secret all about? Six figure secret is a training based platform including multiple resources to get you to create your own product and send traffic from free resources. You will learn how to leverage others people hard work and use it for your own gain. You will learn how to generate unlimited amount of free traffic to your product and finally build a full-fledged buyer list that will repeatedly buy from you over and over again. Okay, so these are the price and upsells. We will cover it later, and here you can see these are the proofs that they will make money with affiliate marketing. So they are the affiliate marketer, very rising affiliate marketer. As you can see, Philip and Dan together can send 80 to 150 sales to your launch. Okay, so as you can see here, Philip Johnson is on the top of this vendor list, top of the affiliate list. Here you can see this is one. Here you can see this one. Dan Khan is in this top rank here. So they are the top rankers of affiliate marketing list, as you can see here. Okay, so these are the proofs that they make money. So they teach you the same process which they will make money. Okay, so let's see the bonuses. So the first bonus is 20 plus WP themes for all types of online businesses. Next one is WP super forms and pop-up plugin. After that, affiliate marketing kit, TikTok marketing. Next one is Twitter traffic secret. Next one is Facebook Messenger bot marketing uplast, video creation with Camtasia 9 tutorial, eWriter Pro, instant video creator, Project Genius, success graphics. After that, PLR profit machine. After that, a template showcase builder, web conversion videos, product creation success keys, first $100 strategy, online coaching business strategy, VidRank news with reseller rights. After that, VidNews with reseller rights and reseller rights to social news pro. Next one is big traffic fire sales. This course will show you how to use multiple social network and other websites to link the desired site that needs traffic. In big traffic fire sale, you will learn how to get the best out of your desired traffic using both paid and free traffic. Okay, next one is list building pro kit. So this is a free training course. Okay, so these are my bonuses. The total worth of these exclusive bonuses is $4,697. So this bonus page will be expired as soon as this timer hit 0. So take action as soon as possible. So after buying this software, you will redirect it to this sales page, this Warrior Plus sales page, and you will see this blue button written that take your affiliate bonuses. So you have to click on this button to leverage all the bonuses and the six-figure training also. So you have to click on these buttons. Here you can see click here to secure your copy and bonuses. You can find these buttons anywhere in the bonus page. So you have to click on these buttons to redirect to the sales page. So the sales page is look like this. Here you can see how we make $274 a day from others people work, unlock multiple passive income streams from free traffic even if you are brand new. Okay, So you have to click on these buttons to get 6-figure traffic and 6-figure secret and my bonuses. So you get 30 days of money back guarantee. Okay, this will great for trainings like this. Okay, so here you can see some graphics and some informations written there. Okay, some testimonials about the training. Here you can see 6-figure training is immense, the cog in my head were continuously spinning, something like that. Here you can see some testimonials. Okay, some information here. Okay, these are the warnings. Okay, next, here are the creator or trainer of this training course. Okay, let's see the bonuses which you get with vendor bonuses. Okay, so let's see the bonuses. So these are the bonuses. Here you can see VIP support with direct access to Jasdeep. Affiliate Amaldon gives you DM access to my to me personally. Your access in my #1 priority. Okay, next one is bonus 2, behind the scenes of a 6-figure per month marketing business. After that, your unfair advantage in business and life custom training. Next one is instant approval to promote traffic Armageddon, no affiliate history required. Next one is 1 hour live free training with Jasdeep. This one is very valuable. So here you can see value is $700. Okay, you get 30 days money back guarantee also, as I say before. Okay, so let's see the prices of this software. So the front end price is only $13. Here you can see #1 OTO1 is 20x accelerator, which is $37. Okay, so here you can see the description, the features of upgrade. So feel free to pause the video to read these descriptions. Okay, OTO2 is 800% income blaster, which is $67. So upgrade 2 gives your users to the exact step-by-step method we followed in to increase our revenue by $800. Beginner friendly but widely profitable hacks for exploding their buyer audience, increasing authority, dominating any niche, and so much more. Okay, OTO3 is a traffic mastery, which is $97. Insane value. This all-in-one solution delivers all the traffic anyone could ever need. Okay, feel free to pause and read. Okay, OTO4 is unlimited traffic, which is $97, allows customers to put their pixels. So with this upgrade, you can put the pixel, Facebook pixel or Google pixel on their sales page. So in this sales page, okay, so whenever someone come to their sales page, you will get notifications and get your leads, one kind of leads. So you can retarget them with Facebook marketing or any kind of social media marketing or Google marketing, Google ads. Okay, so here you can see our pages get seeds by multiple thousands of buyers. These buyers are yours for the taking. So if you buy this unlimited traffic version, you can leverage their traffic also. Okay, next is reseller rights, which is $97. So get 100% reseller rights to 6-figure secret. So with this upgrade, you can sell the training course, full training course, and get 100% profit in your pocket. Okay, so these are the prices and upsells of 6-figure secret. Okay, so I hope you understand what is 6-figure secret is. If you are a newbie or if you are a dream of free lifestyle, then you have to know the affiliate marketing, and they are the affiliate marketer. They are the top affiliate marketer who will give you the training, top training from how you can get 6-figure monthly. Okay, so I will recommend you to take their course, the at least the front end and the OTO1. Okay, so with this OTO1 you will gain more full email marketing course. Here you can see monetize new leads, heads free, and a full email marketing course also. So this will help you, I think, for email marketing also. So thank you guys, I hope you love the video. Please hit the subscribe button if you think this kind of video is valuable for you, and please comment down below your thought about this training. Okay, so thank you, bye bye, take care.